What is the difference between Scotch whiskey and other whiskies? Hey, welcome to Hoteltutor.com. Today in this video, we will learn about the difference between Scotch whiskey and other whiskies. If you are new here, we make videos for people working in the hotel industry. On our website Hoteltutor.com, we have more than 65 certificate courses that you can get started for free. Also do remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon, so that you can receive a notification when we upload a new video. In this video we are discussing the difference between Scotch whiskey and other whiskies. Scotch whiskey is a type of whiskey. There are many types of whiskey. If you do not know about the various types of whiskey, enroll in the free course on our website and learn all about beverages in the course World of Beverages. I will put a link to the course in the description box below. So what makes Scotch whiskey unique? The original Scotch whiskey was made from malted barley. But these days it is made from malted wheat and rye as well. So the first factor is that the grain needs to be malted to make a Scotch whiskey. Malting is like sprouting. To malt the grain, distillers soak the grain in water and sprout them. This helps the grain to germinate and develop the sugar content. Another unique factor is the aging of the whiskey in the cask. Scotch is usually matured in oak casks that have been used for wine or other spirits. It is also matured for a minimum of 3 years. That helps in the maturation and provides the unique smoothness of Scotch whiskey. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Remember to share it with people who are in the hotel industry. It will help them learn something new today. And if you have watched it so far, and want to learn some more, click the playlist on the right to learn more about the food and beverage department. See you in the next video.